It is a beautifully decorated cooking space that feels both homey and elegant. Think kitchen cabinetry that resembles traditional furniture, fancy oven hoods with crown molding, or scalloped edges, and charming rustic accents that feel more Parisian shabby chic than rural. 1. French-styled range hood makes a chic statement. Its contrasting color scheme avoids the monotony that comes with single-hued kitchens by pairing crisp white cabinetry with a sage kitchen island and coordinating tile backsplash. Then there's the classic French-inspired range hood, a stunning architectural feature that makes a chic statement. The vintage wood box planter with herbs is a delightful rustic accent that serves a purpose. Lantern-style lightings over the island lend a big dose of European flair. 2. Old-look surfaces add rustic European charm. Another old-look surface that layers on the rustic European charm is the distressed wood china cabinet on the right, which contains white French country-inspired dishware. 3. French country meets modern farmhouse. Over the kitchen island are 3 pendant lights. Covering the marble-topped kitchen island are white shiplap boards. The pièce de résistance in the cooking space is the wooden French-inspired range hood mounted on a wall covered with practical, white subway tiles. Antique brass sconces function as task lighting. 4. Kitchen inspired by the French countryside. The hand-painted wood floor imbues the cooking space with old-timey style. The bistro rattan stool adds a pinch of Parisian chic. The overhead iron scroll lighting creates the illusion of age. Furniture-inspired cabinetry and a scalloped edge oven hood bolsters the overall vintage feel. The aged appearance of the brass and bakelite cabinet pulls complete the French country look. 5. Kitchen inspired by a French country cottage. A mix of materials and colors create a layered European look. Yellow stone tiles on the wall are suggestive of a rural French country cottage. Decorative molding introduces a layer of elegance to the traditional kitchen cabinets. The furniture-like detailing on the muted green kitchen island adds warmth and comfort. Above it is French scroll lighting made of wrought iron. The dark metal has a slight rustic rust finish. 6. Old world-inspired copper and brass range hood. An elegant range hood is a crowning jewel in most French country-inspired kitchens. The copper and brass range hood with a black patina adds a layer of old country charm to this modern white kitchen. 7. Colorful French country kitchen. A white, arabesque lantern tile backsplash pops courtesy of orange grout. The hammered, copper apron sink along with wood flooring, and the vintage farmhouse table adds cozy warmth to cooking space. Shabby chic wrought iron chairs with a chippy paint finish have a distinctive French country vibe. Fiestaware in vibrant colors on display in the dish rack turns everyday dishware into a feast for the eyes. 8. Delicious French country kitchen with a modern tile backsplash. Bistro-inspired counter stools and brass scroll lighting are both comfortable and elegant features that possess a dash of rustic appeal. The gorgeous backsplash is a modern take on the classic French country look, which typically features decorative tiles with delicate patterns. Topping off the cooking space is a shiplap range hood with crown molding. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.